Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you don't want to rent an AT&T modem router combo, you have the option to use your own equipment. So, for a comparable price, you can buy a modem that will last you many years. But before purchasing, take a moment to make sure that the device is compatible with AT&T service.
Take our lead.
AT&T modem and router rental fee. AT&T internet plans require you to rent a Wi-Fi gateway modem router combo for $10 per mo. Data limit and usage fees. AT&T has a 1 terabyte data limit per month on most plans. Certain plans, such as the AT&T Internet 1000, and bundles come with unlimited data.
Take our lead.
There is a one-time cost of purchasing a modem or wireless gateway for use with AT&T DSL service. Modems purchased from AT&T cost $75 and wireless gateways cost $100. You may also have the option to purchase your own equipment.
Take our lead.
Your modem is a box that connects your home network to the wider internet. A router is a box that lets all of your wired and wireless devices use that internet connection at once and also allows them to talk to one another without having to do so over the internet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.